Uber Asia Pacific head Eric Alexander is on his way now to join the probe, but today also, remember, he was questioned by the Delhi police yesterday also. That's what we are getting to hear. Bhavtosh is with us on the phone line. Bhavtosh, but what really will happen? You know, there is a new twist since yesterday. There's this woman who said that on November the 26th, she had filed a written complaint to Uber, because of the same man, and Uber did not bother to take any action even then.
Well, in fact, the new victim or the second victim, as far as Uber case is concerned, the police have said that they will record her statement. They in fact have got her in touch with the microblogging site. In fact, Delhi police have asked her to, if required, that she can send a complaint through an email, and it will be pursued. As far as the questioning of Eric Alexander is concerned, he's the Asia Pacific head of Uber. Now, the problem that the police faced since last Saturday was that they didn't know anyone who was in fact heading the operations in India. You have Gagan Bhatia, who claims to be the regional manager of North and does not know how the company operates, and claims that he is not part of the top of the group. That's the reason why notice was issued to Eric Alexander to join in the probe. Now, he came from Singapore, that's what the police has said, and was questioned yesterday by the additional DCP of North for good 4 to 5 hours last night. He has again been asked to join in the probe. Now, yesterday the Delhi police had filed an FIR against Uber under 2 sections of IPC. One was section 188, which is violating the government order, and section 420, which is cheating. Delhi police claims that on the website they claim that they have verified the backgrounds of all the drivers employed by them, which was so, and that's the reason why they claim that they have committed a crime. Though the FIR has not named anyone, the police have said that the top management of the company will be questioned. Eric Alexander is the first one who has been called in for Singapore. The Delhi police have said that if required, they will even call the CEO of the company, who's based in New York.
All right, Bhavtosh, then the probe, but now it seems is gaining momentum. The Delhi Police Commissioner says that steps are being taken to increase safety of women, and this is what he has to say.
हमने जो है इस चीज़ का संज्ञान लिया है, और ये जो एस्पेक्ट है, जब हम चार्जशीट फाइल करेंगे और कोर्ट में जब इसको पेश किया जाएगा ट्रायल के लिए, तो उस समय में इस बात का कोर्ट के सामने इन सब फैक्ट्स को रखा जाएगा, ताकि जो है जो इसकी प्रीवियस जो है कंडक्ट को भी कोर्ट के सामने रहे। देखिए, वो खबर जो है मैंने भी देखी है, वो उबर कंपनी को उन्होंने लिख के भेजा था, और उसकी जानकारी अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमको नहीं दी गई थी, तो उस पर भी जो अब लीगली हम मुनासिब कार्रवाई कर सकते हैं वो हम करेंगे। देखिए, ऐसा है कि दिल्ली पुलिस महिलाओं की सुरक्षा के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है, और महिलाओं की सुरक्षा को बढ़ाने के लिए हमने कई कदम उठाए हैं। सबसे पहले तो मैं इस बात का जिक्र करना चाहूँगा कि पुलिस कंट्रोल रूम के अंदर में पहले हमारी 60 टेलीफोन लाइंस हुआ करती थी, उसको बढ़ा के हमने 100 किया है, 100 की, ताकि कोई व्यक्ति अगर डिस्ट्रेस में पुलिस कंट्रोल रूम को कॉल करता है तो उसको दिक्कत का सामना ना करना पड़े।